Well, hey everybody, and welcome back. Today I have some beautiful DIYs to share with you. As always, they're simple, affordable, and easy to recreate. So if you're interested in seeing what I have created today, just keep on watching. For our first DIY, I'm going to be starting off with this wood planter that I picked up from Michael's, and I'm going to just be painting it white with just some regular craft paint. I'll be using these bling stickers that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. If you're new to my channel, welcome! I'm Mrs. Bobby, also known as your Queen of Glitter, and I upload videos every Tuesdays and Thursdays with bonus videos on Sunday. So be sure to subscribe and turn on your notifications so that you're notified whenever I upload a video. Guys, what I'm doing here is just cutting out some of the larger stones in the pattern because once I started lining them up, there were some empty spaces and I didn't want to leave them like that. I wanted to make sure everything was nice and uniform. Next, I'm going to be using these silver bling strips, and they are from my local craft store. I decided to cut my strips in half. And now I'm just adding a row of that strip, and I'm going to do the same thing for the top portion of this project. Now I'm just going to go back in with the Dollar Tree zigzag strips. And now I'm going to add one more layer of the bling rope strip. So for the rest of the project, I'm going to be using this zigzag pattern bling from Dollar Tree. And here's what it looks like. I really love it. What do you guys think? For our next DIY, I'm going to be using this wooden book that I picked up from my local craft store. And I'll be painting it with this gold metallic paint. Now I'm going to be using this bling ribbon from the Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to cut it into strips so that I can outline my box. I'll be using these specialty glitter, and they are from Michaels, and I'm just going to mix them in a bowl with some Mod Podge. Right here, I'm using a stiff paintbrush to just dab on the Mod Podge and glitter mixture. I decided to add another strip of the bling ribbon along the top of the box. Now I'm going to paint on some more of that Mod Podge and glitter mixture on the front of my box. Right here you see me shaking on some of that specialty glitter because I knew I wasn't going to have enough coverage with just the Mod Podge mixture that I made earlier, and I didn't want to make another batch of the mixture, so I just shook some over top of it and went back over with just plain Mod Podge after it dried. And here's what it looks like, a glamorous book to hide all of your trinkets and things. Perfect for a coffee table, a home office, or even a bedroom. Guys, that's it. That's all that I have today. I really hope you guys enjoyed this little video because I really did enjoy making it for you. Don't forget to subscribe as well as hitting the notification bell, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.